Okay, well, my wife and I put off doing renovations for a long time. We were intimidated by the whole process. It seemed very overwhelming, very expensive, and that there was a lot of research involved that we just hadn't done. We spoke to several contractors, and it was something that we had just continued to put off. And when we met with Sosna, we felt a different level of confidence. The quote was not the cheapest quote we got, but we were given the confidence that it would actually be accurate. We were not living in the house. We had to do the entire kitchen, the whole main floor. We moved into my in-laws' place for a little bit, and then we had a rental house, but we were constantly checking on the job. We were very close in the neighborhood, and the project managers were always enthusiastic to keep us up to date, and they're always in constant communication. And that was a very important aspect of the job going in, that we weren't just going to be cut out of the loop, and the work was just going to get done without us knowing what was happening. Even with the setbacks, and there's going to be setbacks with every project, they let us know right away that this would happen, that they've dealt with everything 100 times before, and we had all kinds of issues that came up, and every one of them was dealt with as if they had dealt with them hundreds of times before. There was some ongoing issues afterward, and they are in constant communication. The quote that we were given was pre-pandemic, and the work was done during the pandemic, and we found that the amount was actually quite accurate. It was remarkable how closely the numbers were, and the working throughout every stage was very transparent, and you were given a very clear sense that they had done this many times before. If I have any issues, I feel like they're very approachable even after the job, and they're back in here. They're very enthusiastic about maintaining the relationships and how I feel about the job. And one of the things that they bring from right from the first meeting, they want to know exactly what you're looking for. And the more research that we put into it, the more input that we gave them, the more accurate our project was, and close to our vision and what we were really hoping for when we set out. I couldn't have imagined it going more smoothly, even with all the inevitable issues that happen. It's just more and more proof that this is the right choice, and we were so happy we made it. Thank you so much, Sosna. We really appreciate all the work you've done.